Arbe Robotics, a developer of high-resolution imaging radar technology, has made significant progress toward design wins with leading European OEMs, securing orders for radar systems to support advanced data collection programs. These programs are a crucial step in the automotive sourcing process, and Arbe expects its radar technology to serve as a key enabler for high-volume 2028 passenger vehicle platforms, with revenue projected to begin in 2027. To make things even better, Arbe's Tier 1 partner in China, High-Rain Technologies, has launched a production-intent long-range imaging radar system, the LRR615, powered by Arbe's high-performance chipset. This system is tailored for the Chinese autonomous driving market and marks a pivotal step toward industrial-scale deployment. On top of that, Sensrad, Arbe's Tier 1 for non-automotive sectors, has placed an order for over 1,000 imaging radar chips, underscoring confidence in the platform and growing commercial traction. Arbe has also expanded its strategic collaboration with NVIDIA to enhance radar-based free space mapping and AI-driven capabilities. The company's high-resolution radar integration with the NVIDIA Drive AGX in-vehicle computing platform was showcased at CES 2025. Arbe's CEO Kobi Marenko highlighted the significance of the radar systems orders from leading European OEMs, the launch of High-Rain's LRR615 system, and the growing demand for Sensrad's radar system. He emphasized that these milestones demonstrate the depth of Arbe's technology, the strength of its partnerships, and the maturity of its execution. Looking ahead, Arbe expects to pursue 4 design-ins with automakers in 2025 and anticipates annual revenues in the range of 2 to 5 million, weighted towards the end of the year. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.